For this vignette effect, we have to actually draw the frame which can cover most of the corners and the sides of this picture with any color choice. Whichever color you want, you can pick, but generally black color works very nice because it gives you the highest contrast with any image you have in between. Okay, but having said, you can use any color of your choice. Okay, to do that, the first step is add a blank layer. So go to the layers panel, create or insert a new layer, and you can just give a name, vignette-frame, vignette frame. To do this frame, in this blank layer, first step is we fill the whole layer with the black color. Okay, that's the first stage. Now to do that, I'll simply press D so I can get a default color, black and white. And if you want to fill the foreground color onto your stage, what was the shortcut key? No, X is to swap the colors, D is to get default colors. And to fill the colors, foreground color, we press Alt backspace. And if I want to fill the background color, it's Control backspace in one click. So you don't need to go and pick paint bucket and then click on the stage, which is tedious process. So it's simple, Alt backspace or Control backspace. Okay, now with this first stage is done, we have covered the whole image with the black color. The next stage is we'll select elliptical marquee. Make sure it's a new selection from the options, and we add the feather. Now this feather is, it will give the blur edge around your selection. More the feather, more the blurred edge of your selection. We need a feathered edges of your selection. Okay, now why, I will explain you once we do the practical. So let's say I'm keeping the feather value about 30 pixels. Okay, with this value, let me just draw a circle or an ellipse in the center. Now because I've created a bit large selection, but the moment I release it still shrinked because it has that feathered edges. Okay, so blurry edge. Now with this selection, all we do is on this layer we press delete key, so it's gonna delete that portion of the black color. So if I just press delete, what do you see is a whole see-through, and because of the blurred edge you can see it nicely gives that blurry delete of the black color. That's what we want. So you can hold on to this selection, you can move your selection as it is active somewhere here, press delete again, move somewhere here, delete, move there, delete. A subtle touch, we don't want to show anything of the sides or the borders. That should be enough, is it? Deselect, Control D, show it in full screen. So you have at the top right corner in the options bar, there are different screen modes to show your document in presentations. Okay, you can show a standard screen, which you normally see right now with all the tools, panels and the document. Then there is a full screen mode with the menu. So let's see that. You don't see the options bar now in a full screen mode. And the last is full screen mode without anything. In the full screen, panels are hidden. That's fine, just say OK. Okay, this is what we started from, and that's what we done step by step. One, then we work skin, lens, face mask, foundation, vignette frame. Your portfolio is ready. Okay, let me save this vignette effect. If you want to come back to normal screen mode, you can press tab. Generally tab will bring back your panels. If you press tab again, they will hide your panels. Okay, but all these three modes, full screen with menu, and without menu, we press using F. So if you just hit the F key on your keyboard, it will keep changing your modes whenever you want. So if I'll press F now, it goes to standard mode. Okay, again F, full screen without anything. So F keeps changing your mode. Normally in interview sometimes I keep this mode on and I turn my computer to ask designers to do something, and if they're struggling to, oh, there's a problem in this computer, right, you know you're working with amateurs. Yeah? That's a trick. Same trick I use for quick mask. Quickly turn quick mask on, turn the computer, do something. Something wrong with the computer, it's not working. Yeah, come on, it's a quick mask mode on. So little things, but we judge the experience of a designer and how expert they are using these tricks. So I thought I'll just share with you. Let me stop this.